Hi, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Teardown, which, you know, it's Teardown. It looks pretty fun. Let's go. Yabba dabba. Part 1. Bye bye. Oh, gotta go to this building. Alright. Open the gate. Oh, that one. Okay, wrong mouse button. Go inside. Alright, easy. I'm gonna knock that down. Average. Pretty average at the moment. Get my tools. Extinguisher, spray can, sledge. One side. Okay, can't break that. Place the fuse to turn on power. Where is that? My bad, didn't like him. Oh, that was not difficult. Alright, check messages. Tracy, the gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Uggs, Miles. Head of sales, Lockwood Teardown Services. For a message from Gordon Wu. Good evening, my name is Gordon Wu, General Manager of the Advertised Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. Okay, I can do that. We gonna use like a plane? What are we using? We plane in it? I can make that base very flat and plain. What does it say? Walk L. That has to say walk L. I'm not tripping. You're tripping. Alright. Oh. It's not that bad. Okay. Oh, that shouldn't be that difficult. Oh, ow! Yowzers! What was over here? I check before I throw. Who am I kidding? Who does that? A second plane. It just hit the South Tower. Ah, that's pretty nice. What? That wasn't me. Alright. I saw these. I think I could bring this down. It's a bit fire. I missed. Yeah, like if I were to, I know what to do. I know what I gotta do. Okay. I will be throwing propane tanks into the burning inferno, but But on the good side, okay. Do I have to though? Like, I just don't want to. I don't want to be a fire extinguisher. I mean, let's be honest, who does want to be a fire extinguisher? Fire. Alright, I'm gonna pile all of those in here. Okay, well, I need to make a way. I need to touch over that every time. Pretty, not that sensitive. Nope, misclick. Alright. Eat, scabeat, scabeat. Alright. Oh, I gotta go in there and place that a bit better. I can make this building disappear. Some wall over there. Can I go to it? Oh. Oh. Okay, I got itch. Got an itch. Alright. Alright. Okay, it's the final one. I think. That's all I have, I think. Okay. How would I rotate it? Just hit it on the ground. Oh! Oh, I don't want to hit. I got this, I need one more explosive object. I 100% just used all of them, didn't I? Ah. Alright, I know how we're gonna take it down. Come on. We did it. Okay. Move it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Uh-oh. Can I bring it up? I can do this. I was. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Okay. Alright, now hear me out. Easy. Almost there. 2.4 meters. Tall, buddy. Manually. Holding it up. What's holding it up? Oh, you. Brick. Okay, I think I got this. Gotta get rid of this brick. It's the only issue. Okay, I think I got something that can do that. Oh, I don't want to crouch there. I think this guy can do that. I think this guy can help. Double? Okay. You want to like use it as like a ram. So, ram pretty and hug. I think I've seen a guy on like that's like so weird. Like Rose put in root beer and Rose put in mug root beer and raw cups. It's crazy. Okay. Alright guys, so all I gotta do is 0.1 meters too tall. I can fix that. What do you mean? What building? What is 0.1 meters too tall? I don't see it. Good of a job, I think. Now, I'm gonna dispose of the evidence. No evidence. I'm out of here. No one even saw me. Beautiful. Alrighty. Alrighty then. Yeet right over. Ow. Oh, what a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection, and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Tetterman at the police department just sent me his photo. They must have caught you on a traffic camera headed towards the mall. The last thing we need right now is an investigation. Tried sweet talking her. She thought we could get taste drop, ask for a favor in return. Do you know what she wants? But just do it. She'll email you directly. See, now, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case, blah, blah, blah. I've been investigating Warren Suri Jr. over a tax evasion. Don't investigate me, I promise. I'm not doing nothing. They found the town, how do you go? Borrow with the computers. I could do that. I could borrow his computers, I promise you. I could do a beautiful job at it. Oh, boy. Truck, alright. Where are these, where are they at? How do I check the map? Who cares? Okay. Map. I don't know. How do I know what I meant to do? Okay, let's see. Tab? Tab, okay. There's one here. Oh, just grab that now. It's mine. Mine. Okay. I'm just gonna destroy stuff for no reason. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Where's the next one at? Okay, it's right in that building. Whoops. Alright, it's good enough. Okay, where's the next one? Oh. Ooh, valuable. Like, find valuable? Where the valuables at? Where they at? There. Oh. I would assume in this rubble. Yeah, it was nothing. No TV. I could have stolen that TV. Whoopsie-doo. My bad. Now we're at the back of the building. Is there one in here? Let's see. Oh, there's one behind me. Oh, I know what I gotta do. Where? Does that? I like see it. Like, does it? See it? That's stupid. Okay, I think I could do this. I think I can do this. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, they won't break. Alright. How to cause as much destruction as... Oh. Well, I mean, it's kind of obvious what I'm doing now. I said I couldn't use it again. Oh, that's my brain thinking. Who cares? I'm still using it. Okay. Yay. Oh! Did something. Do what I wanted, but did it. Break the glass. Okay, well. It has to be on there. Oh, it has. E, okay? Ramp type. Okay. There it is. Alright, now I can escape. Not leaving. That's like, I don't want to go. I'm out of here. Show off the wild one. I can make them. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. I'll just hit them. Oh. Wait, why is your 2015 Ford Silverado in a... Well, I didn't break this nearly enough. Like, bro, come on. Come on. It had to be done. Whoa, is that a garage? There. Garage. Fine, I'll like a week. Fine. A week. But I'm taking down this outfit. Oh, there it is. Oh, what? Buddy, no. Right? Wait. Okay. It's down. Getting out of here. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Another one. Huh. What are we doing with these? Hopefully nothing expensive. Oh, I could break the interior? Easy. There's a stupid treadmill here. Alright, I'm back. Fine, I'll do it again. Okay. We got this. We got this. 3 things. Easy. Should be easy, just same as last time, basically. Oh, they're really angry at me for what I did last time. Saying they locked it? No, they didn't. How am I meant to get it? I'm taking down this. Yeah, that's what I thought. Sit down. Sit down. Tree? I could use it. Can I stay on trees? Okay. Oh, there's 2015 Ford Silverado. Okay. I'm gonna do what I did last time. Give me us. I probably should have read what she was asking. It's talking about like the laws and the devices. Because they're gonna be like, or should add security. Like, oh, what's in there? Huh. I don't care what's in there. If you want it. Off building. Okay. Okay. Up. Alright, we're going. Oh! Fine. Okay, let's go. Should be in this building. Bro, I have to enter this building the normal way. Like, bro. Okay, it seems like it did get security hitting me. Okay, so. Let me see the other ones. Let me see if they're also connected. Oh, valuable. Alright, let's see. Tab, where is it at? One over here, back there. So our best chance of getting back is starting there, going across there, getting through there. On this building, on that building, into that building, right? Right? I'm not tripping. Let me go scan the other one. There's only a hole through the building. How will I get in? Okay. Perfect. Okay, we're in. This, let me see. I'll bring this with me, just in case. Okay, I see where I need to go. Right around there. Yeah. It seems I've missed. What we need to be going for is that. Great rock. Find it. That has to be something. Okay, come on. What's in here? I'll get this. Okay. Saying it's here locked? It's locked. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna go find the propane tanks and figure out how to do that. I will need to. Okay, let's see. my sprint? Why no sprint? Just walk past that. I could've. I mean, I don't know how much time I have. I could have all the time in the world, and I could just go walk around, pick them up. I just don't feel like that. No, I'm not that kind of guy. Oh, okay. Come on. Grow up. Okay. Wait. Let me see this. Let me see how pop. Let me see how doable this is. Okay. Yeah. I can make that. Make that jump right to there. Out here. Out. Okay. What? Out of there. Let's try. Out of here. To somewhere else, I don't know where. I don't think I can make that jump. Oh, that one. Okay. Yeah, I can't make that. Like, I see the other one. Okay, I probably should have kept a few things. One second, we're gonna reset. Escape. Okay, restart. Alright, let's go. Okay. Let's use a few things this time. I think I could jump this fence, right? Wait. Okay. This is a map. Right? Oh, okay. This tree. This is the one I used last time. Trusty tree. Okay, we're in. Let's use this. Okay, I know where they are. Now let's use this. My hammer can't do anything to break, so that's an issue. Which I have figured out now. I tried. Oh, that's in the way. Move it out of the way. That's the thing. Oh, okay. I see what I gotta do. Okay, watch this. Okay. Alright, I think I could do this. Alright, pretty simple way. Like, go from here. Oh, it'd have to be on the other side. I could get up there. Like, we're gonna be jumping onto it from up there, so I try that. Okay, don't waste them this time. We know where it is. Okay, one. Okay, there we go. So if I jump out from here, yeah, you can make that jump. Oh. I can 100% hit that. I'm hitting it. Oh, or I can use this as a ramp, another ramp. So as I get from there. Ah, crap. Flipped it. Whoops. Okay, good. It's on the wall up there, so I think I could probably run here. I can take all this out. Out the window, over to here, up here, up to here, then through this window. Yes, I'm cooking. Let me cook. And then out that gate. How am I gonna get out that gate? Truck. I'm getting out that gate now. Oh, thought that stupid walk could stop me? No. Okay, walk gone. Okay, building gone. Okay. I'm pretty confident in this plan. Yeah. Oh, could have just gone around. I already had to. Alright, let's go. Start here. Ready? Think. think I could do this. Ready, set, go. Up. Quick save. 60 seconds. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, we're retrying that. I just realized. Alright. Ah, shoot. Okay. Okay. Then from there, you take this, jump out of from there. Okay, yeah, I got this. Better if it went fully across fast. Not happening. Up here. Boom. Okay. Pretty good, doing pretty good. Out the window, up on this roof. Okay. Let me cook. Okay. Final one. Easy. That's why you let me cook. Go! W. Alright. Okay. Is that how it's gonna be for the rest of the time? Oh, what is this? Blowtorch. Metal. Yeah! That's what we're using. So that's something for tool upgrades, right? Not cut these. Stone. Yeah. Okay, I can get rid of this. Okay. You don't need an engine, right? We'll live. I got this. That's a really strong engine, jeez. Okay, so that's time for tool upgrade. New messages, Tracy, need coffee. Oh, okay. Turned off the gas? I don't care. Sledge. None. Okay. How much money I have? 400? Easy. Fuel. Alright, well, that is it, guys. That is it for Teardown today. Yeah, okay, wait, what's that? That will be it for Teardown. Teardown for today. That'll be all of it. That'll be all of Teardown for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And have a great one next time.